Hi, this is Chef Andy Mackenzie here. Here's a simple recipe for you to try maybe on Mother's Day using lots of produce from the Hampshire Farmers Market. Give this a go. So first of all, we're going to just take the 2 lemons, we're going to grate them up, put them into a little bowl, we're going to make the butter with this. So grate the garlic, chop the rosemary and or smash up the peppercorns any which way you can, add the chili flakes, and then we're going to put the butter in to make this flavoured butter that we're going to be pouring or smearing all over the chicken. Okay, with the lemons, we're just going to wedge them up. We're going to juice them. Just go squeeze the juice out, retain the skins there. Chop and peel the onion, and then we're just going to stuff the cavity of the chicken with the lemon and the onion. Stuff it in there, pack it in like that as much as you possibly can. Now, when we've done that, we're going to get a little bit clever. We're just going to sort of pierce the side of the chicken flap that's there, just so we don't have to put any string or anything on it. If you do that, just mind your fingers with this bit, because that could be painful. Put your finger through there, and then we're just going to put the legs through the holes that we made, just so that everything packs up nice and tight and everything cooks nice and evenly. There we go. It's a little bit fiddly, but you'll get there eventually, I promise. Squeeze that all up, even it all out. Beautiful, all sealed up nicely. Then all we're going to do is those leftover bits of onion and lemon in the bottom of a nice pot that we can then oven cook. And then we're going to pack the butter. This is going to be where our flavour is going to be a big punch of the flavour for the lemon chicken. That's going to smear that over the top. Pack it all on there. And that then just a glug of white wine. It's optional, this bit. With your chicken stock that goes in there. Simple, nice. And just a little sprinkling of sea salt that's going to go across the top as well. And we're going to put the lid on that, and then we're going to put that in a moderate oven, just to see what we got left there. So we've got the lemon and the cream left. That's going to come later. So lid goes on in the moderate oven, about 180 degrees C. Any excuse to light a fire with me. In it goes. You can use your oven at home, no problem at all. And it goes about 45 minutes, and then after 45 minutes we'll have a quick look. So we'll see where we're up to. We'll lift the lid. Then you can probably take the lid off and then push it back if it's not as caramelised as it should be. Give it another 15 minutes, and then once it's after about an hour, we should probe it if you like to make sure it's over 75 degrees. And we're just going to take it out, rest it, bit of tin foil over the top, and then we can turn our attention to the sauce. So all that lovely stock and flavour that's left in there, we're going to reduce by half. Just simply simmer it away. Then we're going to add that lemon juice that we had left over there earlier. Simmer it away a little bit more just to reduce a little bit, and then we're going to add the cream or creme fraiche, whichever you fancy. Give that a stir in, and then again reduce until it becomes nice and thick. You can see the shine that's going to be on that. Oh, it's going to be absolutely lovely, and yeah, good to taste as well at this stage. Then pass it through a nice sieve, the best sieve you got, just so we can take all the bits and pieces out there, and you can just see what you got there is a lovely shiny creamy velvety sauce. It's going to be lovely lemon flavoured. Now's the time to taste, and if you need to adjust the seasoning, feel free. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Beautiful. So all we're going to do is carve the chicken as best we can. Take the legs off, take the wings off, take the breasts off, flake anything else that's on it. And then this, I've just served mine with some rice and peas, and then some of that lovely velvety sauce. That's going to be absolutely, look at that. So what a shot. Absolutely amazing. Enjoy. This is lemon chicken, Andy style. Give it a go. All the best.